If you want to charge your Realme GT 8 Pro, we have two methods to do so. I mean, two main methods, the wired method and the wireless method. For the wired method, of course, you want to use a USB cable, for example, this one. Of course, you can use a non-original cable if you want to, as long as you can use it to connect to something. And you want to connect it to anything that provides power via USB cable. Now, of course, the best option is the power adapter, but you can also use, for example, a computer or a laptop, maybe your car or a power bank, anything that provides power, as I mentioned. And of course, power adapters is the best solution. Ideally, you want to have a 120 watts power adapter with Super VIOC or Super VOC. Simply because Super VOC is used on this phone, and 120 watts is the maximum amount of watts that we can get on this phone, so quite a high number. Of course, if you have a weaker charger that is still completely fine and it's still gonna work, it's just gonna take more time. Also, the technology also matters. So for example, the UFCS allows you to use 120 watts. PD charging is 14.4 watts, same as QC, so quick charging, and BPS allows you to charge with 55 watts at most. Alright, so now that we talked about the wired method, and also, I'm going to show you how to actually make it work in case you don't know. We just have to connect one end of the cable to the power adapter. We can also connect it to the power, of course. Well, we have to, of course. There we go. And then we connect it to the phone, just like that. And there we go, we are charging. Now we can touch and hold in order to use the fast charging option, so speed up the charging speed. Alright, so now that we have this covered, another method to charge Realme GT 8 Pro is the wireless method. Of course, it is a little bit slower, but it still works and it's worth mentioning. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you need to simply place your phone on top of the wireless charger. You want to place it on the center, just like that, and it should start charging pretty much immediately. In this case, we have 50 watts of wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charger that has 50 watts, then it's gonna be perfect. Anything slower than that works as well. Anything faster than that works as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So of course it can be a wireless charging pad, it can be a charger in your car as well. So if you have wireless charging in your car, it's gonna work too. If you have another device that charges wirelessly, like even another smartphone, it works too. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.